This method can help answer key questions in the social sciences field about the psychology of reading and language development. This technique illustrates how individual difference characteristics co-vary and how a unique effect may pale in comparison to an effect shared with other characteristics.
The implications of this technique extend to the social sciences more broadly, as it allows accounting for the commonality of predictors that help us understand overlapping variance.
To read the data into the software with a graphical user interface, click File and hover the mouse over Open. Click Data and locate the relevant data file on the computer. If the file type is not consistent with software with a graphical user interface, click Files of Type and select the appropriate file format. Then click Open. To explain the total variance based on two independent variables, click Analyze and hover the mouse over Regression to select Linear. Click on the dependent variable in the variable list, followed by the arrow next to Dependent. Click on the two independent variables in the variable list and click the arrow next to Independence. Click OK and click the viewer window of the software. Use the mouse to scroll to the Model Summary section and record the value under R². Then label this value Total R². To explain the total variance based on independent variable 1, repeat the total variance explanation with independent variable 1 only in the independent